We're here at the Santa Rosa County Farm Tour. We have a distinguished award here to give to a friend to agriculture and rural life. Bill Seelmann has been a blessing to this county and the farmers and the rural residents of it, while being the manager of Florida Farm Bureau of Santa Rosa County. And also after his retirement, he's been assisting us in things that are zoning issues, and he's also now become an advisory member to our Santa Rosa County Farm Bureau. And in recognition of these and the other service to him, we have this presented to Bill Seelmann in grateful appreciation for your dedicated service to the farmers and agricultural community of Santa Rosa County. 2021 for the Santa Rosa County Farm Tour Committee. Thank you, Bill. Appreciate your help.
Well, I'm humbled, because I remember back in 2006 when I came over here. Only ag experience I had was a little bit of nursery stuff, a little bit of dairy. My grandfather was one of the innovators of hydroponics, tomato farming in South Florida back in the 50s, and I remember that. But when I came over here in 2006, first thing I did was Google cotton and peanut farming for dummies, so I could kind of catch up with what you guys do. Gary, I appreciate it.
All right, thank you, Bill.